Welcome to the Wireless SensorSwitch Air appless training. In this video, we'll share 3 simple ways to pair your devices. No app required. Method 1 is used when wireless SensorSwitch Air devices are installed on the load side of the switch. Insert the wireless SensorSwitch Air tool into the pinhole to start active configuration mode. Watch for the double blink. Press and hold any button to start pairing. The switch will rapid flash. Remove the tool. Fixtures will dim to 10%, then return to 100%. Once the switch rapid flashes again, pairing is complete. For applications without a wall switch, use method 2. Start active configuration mode. Press and hold the button until you see a double blink. Now press the button 6 times. This enters join setting. Watch for a constant blink. Repeat this for all devices except the last one. For the last device, press the button to enter active config mode, then press 7 times to start accept setting. Pairing will begin automatically. When all lights return to full brightness, pairing is done. Method 3 combines switch and device pairing. Start by pairing load side devices using the tool and switch. Next, set the other device to join mode, active config mode, then 6 presses. Return to the switch. Start active config mode again, then press any button 7 times to enter accept mode. When lights return to 100%, pairing is complete. Your wireless SensorSwitch Air lighting controls are now ready to use. For more support, visit SensorSwitch.com.